Wild weather and sightly weather. Thankfully, all the videos and photos we asked for earlier in the day, because sometimes from the distance that these storms were away from the radars, the tight little rotations that form here in these landspout style tornadoes, difficult to see on the radar. So your photos, your reports came in so handy today to help us keep those in harm's way informed throughout the day. Thank you. Now a look at the showers and thunderstorms continuing from south central North Dakota straight up into northwest Minnesota. And this is the same path that they've been in. Here's a new tool that we're using this year as a lightning forecasting model, which shows where the strongest of the thunderstorm activity is expected to move in the next 6 hours. Notice that the aerial coverage shrinks as we go through the next few hours, but it's still out there. Rumbles of thunder, certainly possible. The severe risk has waned. We have not had a warning since the original tornado warning earlier in Kidder County at 4 in the afternoon. There has been some hail, abundant rainfall, and lightning. Look at this, I-94 from Cleveland, Medina, all the way through Jamestown, right into Valley City. Persistent thunderstorms for the last hour and then some. Factor in how much it's raining at this time. This is called the rainfall rate. How fast are the raindrops falling out of the clouds right here near Jamestown? Between 1 and 2 inches per hour. You saw in the last radar loop, which was 1 hour long, we've had an hour of rainfall. It's hit and miss. This side of town here on the east side of Jamestown, very little happening right now. This side, a lot. That's why one neighborhood can get a bunch and the next neighborhood might not have so much. Up to the north now, Northwood, up toward Grand Forks, we're seeing some showers moving in on the Grand Forks Air Force Base. Grand Forks proper right now, not in the path as you've been on the dry side of things for the evening, just like Fargo. So we look into Marshall County, Minnesota, persistent rain, and this is carried from the early evening hours. A lot of thunder and lightning right over you in Argyle right now. And now let's take a loop at the last 6 hours. Look at Argyle. It's been raining off and on, very heavy all night. Rainfall estimates there pushing 5+ inches of rain near Argyle and Stephen, and then also about that same between Karlstad and Strandquist out there. So significant rainfall amounts happening today by these training thunderstorms. And oh yes, near the Twin Cities, you heard earlier reported 7 tornadoes reported. Another tornado warning south of the metro area at this time for us. Things quiet in Grand Forks as we look on, but the thunderstorms are not far from you to the west right now. 75 still in Grand Forks, 74 Fargo. Rain-cooled temperatures off to the west of 61 in Jamestown, 70 for Detroit Lakes. It's dry here. It's dry south. I think it stays that way. That rain chance really from the James and Cheyenne River valleys into northwest Minnesota continues. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows this. Right now, persistent storms. They'll continue. They do decrease, though, as we go towards 3, 4 in the morning. The aerial coverage decreases. We might have a batch of energy moving out of South Dakota that brings some more by the wee hours of the morning out west. So more rain in the same places we've gotten it all night long. Could that cause flash flooding? Indeed it could. Even though we've been that dry, once you get 4 to 6 inches of rain, that water has to go somewhere. Passing morning showers, 60 degrees. Here starts your day temperature. We'll see quiet conditions in the south again. Warmer temperatures there as a result. But look at the cooler temperatures up north in your afternoon, 50s and 60s there, with passing showers and storms that, yes, could be strong for the day tomorrow. That is why the Storm Prediction Center, marginal risk of severe, again for our entire area tomorrow. We'll keep you posted. And even higher risk out in the western Dakotas. Tomorrow, Fargo, 62 to start. We ramp it up into the mid-70s here, cooler north, and it will be a chance of storms all day here in Fargo. But do we see any? Hit and miss at best. South, quieter. North, stormier and cooler as well with 50s and 60s. Gorgeous shot here by Joe Adams from Lidgerwood. Thanks for sharing this colorful shot, Joe. Quiet on Friday after a second day of stormy weather. Saturday morning showers and storms could be widespread. Maybe if you didn't get it today, you get it Saturday morning or Sunday night into Monday. Our 2 best chances on a pretty cool forecast for Sunday and beyond as we return to 70 degrees. Mike?
It's been a night to generate a lot of talk in the weather.
Yes, it has.
All right, thanks.